How to make calls vibrate defaults on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make calls vibrate defaults on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find the notifications, and then scroll down until you find vibrate, and then just click default. Here you will find it on off or anything else. Just click default and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.